What's this creepy looking insect? Well, you might have seen it before. It's called a Jerusalem cricket, or a child of the earth, or a potato bug. Scientists call this one Amopelmatus pictus. These guys aren't actually crickets, and they're not from Jerusalem either. They're a large, flightless insect found in North, Central, and South America, as well as parts of Asia and Africa, belonging to the family Stenopelmatidae. We'll mostly be focusing on Amopelmatus, since these guys are native to California. As adults, they reach anywhere from 20 to 70 millimeters long. Their bodies are thick and rounded, with a large abdomen and nearly seamless head and thorax.
Coloration between species can vary wildly, from jet black to yellow and even red. These colors help them blend into their desert and semi-arid habitats. And like all hemimetabolous insects, they don't undergo a drastic metamorphosis from nymphs to adults, opting instead to only grow insects and gain reproductive organs. Jerusalem crickets are very picky eaters. While they often prefer to eat underground vegetation and other decaying plant material. They consume other insects and rotting flesh when given the chance, making them an opportunistic omnivore. These insects are nocturnal, choosing to come out late at night so that the harsh desert sun doesn't cook them alive. They spend inactive time living in underground burrows or hiding beneath rocks and logs. In their native ecosystems, they are decomposers, cycling around nutrients and aerating soil with their tunnels. These organisms are specialized for digging deep tunnels within the ground. To burrow, they use a backfilling technique. First digging substrate with their head, moving it backwards with their forelegs, and directing it towards the back of their chamber using their hind legs. Reproduction is the most important part of any organism's life cycle. Such is the same for Jerusalem crickets. If we want to explore the reproduction of the Jerusalem crickets, then we must first learn to distinguish their sexes. Male Jerusalem crickets have hooks on the end of their abdomen near their cerci, which they use to latch onto females during mating, whilst females have an ossified ovipositor at the end of their abdomen. During their mating ritual, Jerusalem crickets will use their abdomen and legs to knock on the ground to produce an impulse called a drum. While some insects use mating behaviors to determine the strongest mate, the Jerusalem cricket's drumming is only used to locate and recognize a mate of the same species. After mating is complete, the female Jerusalem cricket will bury itself in the soil to lay eggs. The eggs of the Jerusalem cricket will undergo an incubation period of about 90 days before they develop into nymphs. Nymphs reach adulthood in about 2 years. Despite their intimidating looks, Jerusalem crickets play an important role within the ecosystem that they inhabit. As burrowers and nighttime scavengers, they help aerate the soil and recycle nutrients, contributing to the overall health of the desert. So the next time you see one of these children of the earth, remember that they too are doing their part in keeping our environment healthy.